So in the UK, parts of the US, the Republic of Ireland, nurses domestically wash their uniforms. Now, obviously that brings in behavioural differences and knowledge differences between the nurses. So around 47% were washing below the recommended 60-degree wash. However, during the pandemic, this significantly decreased. There was only around 17% that weren't necessarily following guidelines. But there's different issues that come into play as well. For instance, time. Do people use a rapid wash at 60, which we've shown doesn't actually reach temperature and doesn't necessarily decontaminate the textiles? What types of detergents are they using? In the load, is there other garments that the microorganisms may cross-infect? So that there's so many different parameters, and for instance, when the nurses are wearing their uniform and it's contaminated and they go into the car or the domestic environment, is there any transfer during that period? So when we talk about industrial laundering, that's very much monitored, and there's standards in place to ensure that those infection control procedures are in there.